Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Ford Flex Limited. First time I've ever driven a Flex. It's pretty cool. I personally love it. Shadow black. Selling price of this one's $30,999. Very, very nice interior. This one's powered by the EcoBoost V6. More specifically, the 3.5 V6. Very, very nice interior. Sunroof, of course. Sliding visor. All right. Put it in drive and go for a drive. The Ford Flex is kind of like the lower version of the Expedition. Kind of is almost like a station wagon in a way, just a little higher off the ground. I personally love it. Reminds me very much of the old Ford Woodies, the station wagons and stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure that's kind of the design element they were going for. All in all, overall comfort, it's actually pretty impressive. And it feels small for the size too, which is a big thing with me. That's why I don't really like large SUVs, is that they just feel too big on the road. This doesn't. This feels perfect. Into the bumpy road section. Not bad at all. Oops. Hey, they took down all these trees. This is actually, you know, I wasn't planning on filming today. I was just coming down to take some photos and stuff like that. But this is pretty nice. One of the sales guys, one of the sales managers said, take the Flex for a drive. I'm glad they did. I'm glad they told me to. Because this is actually my first time driving a Flex. The person that told me to drive one actually owns one, which is pretty funny. He said it's a very underrated vehicle, and I completely agree with him at this point. This way. This is, I guess, the test to see how it does in tight situations. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.